Hello everyone, I am Neelam Choudhary, your host for the web series Django Project Based Learning. So today we will talk about the HTTP method get and a post. You will see this method in the coming videos when we are going to deal with the Django form. So let us clear when to go for a get method and a post method. So I've created a simple form, okay, and the name of the file that I've given is forms.html. How do we create a form in the HTML? With the help of the form tag, and the method we have to specify. There are two kinds of method, either a get method or a post method, okay. So these are some of the labels in the input box that I've created and a submit button. First, let us see the output of this particular form, how it looks like. So this is how. First name, we'll fill the first name, email, and the submit button. Okay. So now there are two methods to submit this particular form. One is a get method and the other is a post method. So first let us see the get method. So in the get method, whenever you are going to send any information, it will get attached in the URL. Second thing, whatever data you can send is restricted. You can send only 1024 characters. And whenever you want to send any secure information or sensitive information, you will never go for a get method. Now, let us see how this looks. Okay. So, the method that I'm using in this form is a get method. Let me refresh it. Check the URL. Okay. It is forms.html. Let me write the first name. Let me give some email ID. And let me click on submit button. Okay. When I will click on submit button, what is happening? Can you see the URL has changed? Whatever I have written, the first name Neelam, I can see it over here. The email ID, I can see it over here. So everything is visible on the URL. So whenever you can see, whenever you are using the get method, whatever information you are sending, we can see in the URL. The person who is standing behind you will be able to see the information, your password. Although over here you will not be able to see the password, but in the URL, the password would be visible. Okay. So we will go for the get method whenever the data is not sensitive or whenever we want to display an empty form, we can go for the get method. Now let us see what will happen if I will give the post method. In the post method, let me come over here, refresh it. Neelam, let me submit the data, click on submit. See, I cannot see the data in the URL, okay? And that is why the post method, it transfers the data via the HTTP headers and it does not have any restrictions. As many data as you want, you can pass it, and it is always used whenever you want to send any secure information or whenever you want to do any changes in the database like update, delete. Okay, for that we will be using the post method. So the action I have not specified. See, whenever you're going to submit the data, where this data should be submitted, we specify in the action button. For right now, I have kept as hash. That is why you can see it over here, like this way. I hope you have understood the get and the post method. You will go for the get method whenever you don't have any sensitive information, when you want to pass a less information, and you can see whatever information you are passing in the URL. Okay, and you will go for the post method whenever you are doing any changes in the database, whenever the data is secure, okay, and whenever you are sending any password, you will go for the post method, and you can send as many as data you want with the help of the post method. I hope you have. So before we end, kindly like and subscribe the channel, as it will boost me to create many more videos, and I will be coming with the next video very soon. Till that time, if you have any doubts in any video, kindly write down in the comment box. I will give you the replies. Thank you. Now,